Good day, fellow traders. Welcome back to another day trading recap. So, what a crazy day in the stock market. So, as everyone know, Russia attacked Ukraine yesterday, and the stock market was just bleeding in the pre-market. Everything was gapping down 3, 4, 5%. It was kind of scary actually. But today I decided to play a gap fill strategy that I use, which is basically a stock that gaps down a lot, 3, 4, 5%, and looking for a bounce, a little squeeze all the way up to yesterday's low or close. So that was my intention for the day. And the ticker symbol that I use for this strategy is ticker symbol FB, aka Meta Platform, also known as Facebook. So onto the setup. As everyone know, Facebook has been bleeding lately, completely getting destroyed. I mean, the stock was at around $330 early February even, or late last month, and today in the morning in the pre-market it was down below 190. That is just insane. So so I had it on my watch list because what I saw in the pre-market is I saw this nice little double bottom. So right over here, right off S4, support 4 from the pivot points, and I saw this little double bottom. So I was willing to risk, right? This would be my risk around, and this is yesterday's low. So that's my reward. So I said, you know what? Even if I lose a little bit, it's well worth the risk. So that's what day trading is all about, right? Controlling your risk, and hopefully you get more reward for the risk that you take on. So that's exactly what I did. However, I don't know, maybe there was too many orders going through this morning, but my orders didn't get filled. So if I show you over here, right, on the 1 minute chart, I went for the 1 minute opening range breakup around this price, around 192. I think I took a snapshot of it. Yeah, right here. So you see, this is my order. I was so frustrated that this order didn't go through that I had to take a snapshot of it. So this was my level over here, 192.19. I tried to get in, but it just skipped my order and I didn't get filled. So that was really frustrating because it kind of messed up my whole trade management. So what I ended up happening, and I did a mistake over here. I ended up chasing it for a 5 minute opening range breakup. But look how big this candle was. This trade over here wasn't so good. So this trade over here wasn't so good, and it came back and it stopped me out. My stop was around here, right? And this was my entry, and it came back and it stopped me out. But however, I re-entered because I saw on the 1 minute some nice rejections. So right over here, some nice rejection off pre-market high. So I went long again. It hit my first target of 196, so I got in around 194. I got out at around 196.50, and my next target was over here, 197. But for some reason, I just managed this trade horribly, and I got all out at 195. It ended up being a small green trade, but look at the move that I missed. And I think this is really because I didn't get filled down here. If I got filled down here, I would have been easier for me to manage this trade because my break even would have been down here. But nonetheless, it's a small green day. At least I'll get to live to trade another day, right? So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.